Are you unmarried, but you own property with the person, a significant other, or maybe you even own property with a family member or someone else? Um, and you're wondering, like, if that relationship goes south, especially in a boyfriend-girlfriend situation, what do you do if you own a house together or you have bank accounts together? In Pennsylvania, it's not a divorce action and it's not in family court, but you are able to get the court's assistance in order to buy out the other person, have the property sold, and to get any money that's due to you. Here in Pennsylvania, it's known as a partition action. And many family lawyers who do divorce will also do a partition action. You may also want to consult with a real estate attorney if there's property involved as far as the house, because oftentimes they will also do a partition action. And the procedure is slightly different than a divorce, but some of the things are very similar, which would be you need to file a complaint. But you're not filing that complaint in family court. You're going to be filing it in a different court here in, say, Bucks County. It's the orphans court. So it really depends on where you live, what the name of the court is, but it is not the same court as a divorce. Same judges might, depending on the county, they assign them to different areas of law, but it could be the same judge that sits in family court. And the rules are a little different. So in divorce, it is an equitable distribution, but in a partition action, it's going to be based on your contract or it's going to be a 50-50 distribution. So you're going to want to look and see if you have a written contract. And if you don't, you're going to need to look at how the property's titled. But you're going to definitely want to file with the court. And much like a divorce, if you can come to an agreement out of court, you don't ever have to go to court. You can reach an agreement and have that agreement entered as a court order so that you can get your payment or your buyout. And also, it's a little different than divorce in that there are credits that will get applied. So keep track of any payments that you make towards any mortgage or other property. One thing to keep in mind is that people often forget, and sometimes they'll delay even getting a partition done, is that real estate has fair rental value. So if you're living in the property and the other person that owns it with you is not living in the property, you are going to owe a fair rental value to that person. So you probably don't want to delay it 5 years and find out that you owe a lot of money to the other person. You're probably going to want to get that settled sooner than later. But the best thing you could do is consult with an attorney, like I said, either a family law attorney or perhaps a real estate attorney if you need assistance with dividing property and you're not married to the other person.